Here are some tips for using your MP62 Manicure and Pedicure set from Beurer. Pay attention to the instructions for use and safety notes. Connect the mains adapter to the device and socket. Select one of the 10 attachments. Fasten the attachment to the device axle by pressing down gently. Turn the control ring to switch the device on, to the left for anti-clockwise rotation or to the right for clockwise rotation. You can determine the speed using the plus and minus buttons. Always start with a lower speed. If you wish to change the attachment, switch off the device. Pull the attachment straight up to remove it. A protective cap for nail dust and skin particles can be attached to the top of the handheld device. Switch on the device again to continue the treatment. Adjust the speed and direction of rotation. After use, you should apply cream to the areas that have been treated. We hope you enjoy using your MP62 Manicure and Pedicure set from Beurer.